Hey guys, I'm Eddie from Tampa. About 6 months ago, I was sitting in a session, probably a lot like the one you guys are in. Probably thinking a lot of the same things like, is this Adam guy for real? I can tell you 6 months later, I'm now sitting in the end of May, having sold over close to $45,000 worth of retail revenue on Amazon based on all the knowledge I gained from the class probably that you're in right now, all my coaches. I've got 300 different inventory items active at the moment. Probably got about $20,000 worth of inventory, and I sell somewhere between $500 and $2,000 of revenue per day. I'm looking forward to my first Q4, and the way I know I'm prepared and ready to go, because as part of the Protege program, I've got access to coaches, and my coach and I have been talking about how we're going to establish the right inventory levels and position the right promotions and have all the right product details in place so that I can have a really successful fourth quarter. Come this November, maybe I'll be getting closer to my goal of being completely independent and working on my own terms and doing something that I've found quite fun. It's like treasure hunting online. Using the software that Adam provides through the Protege program, I'm able to analyze products and kind of not really be taking the same kind of risks that people would be taking without these tools. Knowing sales velocity, following the formula, understanding customer reviews, and following a good ROI pattern, you'll end up with a good position to sell out your inventory on a regular basis and getting that money back into your own pocket to reinvest it, use it for personal use. In the early days, if you can, reinvest it. I'm a regular guy with a regular job. I do this in the evenings. You can see it's dark outside, and I'm sitting at my kitchen table. Good luck to you all, and I hope we meet you someday.